Actively.
The only other ones I tried is American Spirit, and that was
Get it. It's in the fridge.
good. He's a little lap dog.
You and each you hold like one. I don't know what else I said.
I imagine he's like a old man. He's like, no, put me down. Put me down. I'm grown.
Wait, let's get this guy. Hey, can you take a picture? Can you take a picture of us?
Oh yeah, I got. You crying? Oh no, it's sweat. Okay. Oh, it's no white. I agree.
They're different. That is different from what you have. It's sour. Okay, it's green apple. I think it's green apple. You've been cursed. That's what you get for trying to say I'm wrong.
So, but it's not like the whole thing isn't covered in it, you know. If you want.
Probably the white was underneath, right?
Yeah,
You can wipe it off and put it again. No, don't do that. Sorry, I work at a screen printing shop.
And can send you a link if your phone's dead or whatever.
Or if you only have cash, you can like give it to me and I'll transfer.
And you can, if you can, give whatever you have. We would really appreciate it to help her out. Anyway, this one.